Hello and welcome back to another of my YouTube videos. Ignore that cable in view. I can't be asked to remove it for video and then to put it back after. Today for me, what I'm going to be doing is testing that heat loom I acquired a while ago. So I'm going to get that tested, make sure it's got continuity throughout the whole loom. And because checking the loom now will allow me to know if the wire's all intact. Okay, so back in the car, I've taken the relay out or off. Everyone wants to see it. You get it. Here's the relay. I've taken that off. Just for testing purposes. I don't have any form of like pin out, any diagram of what the relay does. I couldn't find one anywhere. So I'm just going on by continuity to make sure wires are going. Oh, I'll connect it somewhere. So I'm going to tilt the camera down and just speed through this process. I talk through any of it. If I do, I'll do. But if I don't, it'll be time lapse. Okay, so I'm back out here again with the car, and today I'm going to be testing the heat loom, actually testing the loom itself, and making sure it works. So what I'm going to be doing, I'm going to be connecting up via jumper cables to my battery. So there will be fuses in between this, so it's not going to damage it in any way. Obviously, it's normally connected in the connector to the battery anyway, and it's still got fuses in between anyway. So connected to the jumper cable is not going to do anything to potentially damage it. So like I said, it's still going to have fuses in between that and the battery anyway. So what it'll do, it'll allow me to test it, make sure the loom functions as it should, and there's no breaks in the loom. So I'm going to set it up on a tripod and show you how I'm going to be testing it. And then actually what I might even better do is somehow wire it into one of the actual heater seats itself. Like, make a temporary connection. That way I better tell you if the loom works. Oh, and not enough, if the loom works, if the heat works as well. So for now I forgot to hit the record button apparently. So we've got jump cables here, they're both connected to the battery. That's connected in quite nice. The ground onto the negative. And then we've got this one here. It's the permanent knife. Oh dear, bleeding a little bit. But this is the permanent knife. This is in here is a fuse, I've already showed you. So that's definitely the permanent knife. And this is the switched. But what I'm going to do, I'm going to get a fuse and put it in between this and that. So when I connect it together, it's got a bit of protection. So it's not straight to the battery. So before putting that in, I'm going to get a fuse for that, and then we're going to go from there. Right, I believe that's in. This will not work yet, so be careful what we're touching. You stay there, thank you. Right, you can't see it yet, but I'm sure you will do in a minute. So this wire here, let's do switch live. So we're going to start like it with an 8 amp fuse, which I believe is the white ones. Yep. Right, I don't know. And then next I use my backup plan, which I had planned all along. And we vice grip them on. Now that should be plenty enough, so we can do something with this. Right, here's the switch. I'm gonna very gently touch this into switch into the positive, Right, so I'm now touching it, and hopefully nothing. It works. Oh wow, it works. Can you see the lights? It actually works. I'm going to zoom you in. I'm so happy about that. So you're now zoomed in on my hand. So this is 8 amp fuse, so it seems to work fine. Touching on there, and ready. Pick it up for once, you get a little bit of heat. Pick it down, you get double heat. That is so cool. Okay, pick it up, you should want a little bit of heat. Down, or pick it up again, turn it off. Lift down, turn it on big heat. And lift down, off heat. Oh, I feel it look nice in this car. Look very nice. So yeah, I think I've got this system sussed out pretty good. So obviously, I know which way round it will go now. So just to actually good. Turn it back around. The relay box is now sitting directly over the camera, so hopefully you hear the clicking off the relay to show that it works. Right, power. Okay. Oh, make sure I get the connection right. Yep. Did you hear that? Perfect. Okay, so I've managed to get it so I don't have to hold it anymore. So that now works. Which is good. And that now means I can probe this one and this one. So these two things, they go directly to the seats. These two right here, so I can now turn that switch on and probe them to see which ones actually reduce the power. So that way I know which one is tied into this switch and yeah, the next problem is really if these seats I've gone here come with a different connector to what's on this Loom. Again, I'm not too sure why that is. Could be a fact this is from a diesel and it connects differently, but I have no idea. Now, obviously I have to just head this apart and look at it, and that was a ground I believe, and that was a ground. Something like that. So does that mean one goes in here like this, like ground, and one goes in along there? I have no idea. Let's see, I'll take this back off again. A little look. The problem is, like, it's all assumption work here in a minute. It's not actual guess at all. Actual knowledge on this one. Now, do I guess? It's tricky, see. Do I guess the purple? Because there's two purple ones. So take it, then they do a loop and come out. Possibly. I think I need to do more testing. to make sure I know which one to which. Put that back on. So that's on the lower setting now. Turn this back on to voltage. Okay, try that again. Yep. We've got a click. Be hard to tell. Be hard to tell. Dude, this sun is boiling hot today. I'm really tasting it on the wrong day. Really am. Although the backrest feels like it's quite hot. I just it's probably warming up. I don't know. All taste like this one, but the wire's all hidden inside the seat. Whereas these ones are actually left outside the seat. So they're easy to tap onto. I'll just say that's warming up. I'll just say that's warming up. Oh yeah, that's warming up. Oh, at least we know the passenger seat works. The drivers may not still work. And while the seat bases can be swapped over, the backrest can't. So if the backrest on the driver's seat here doesn't work, not going to be no point really doing this really, so, but I'll definitely say the backrest is warming up. And that feels a lot warmer than the outside. If I touch where I've been sitting on, that's not warm. Oh, that's warm. Yeah, that's warming up. Let's enjoy this. Oh, it's nice. It's not nice, it's too hot, but it's nice. Okay, so the seats are now fully cold. I put a like windshield, put it in the sun finish on the windshield to make the sun not come in the car. And the seats are now fully cold. So if I turn full heat on, full heat is turned on. Let's see if my back and arse warm up. Get comfortable. See if this actually works. Yeah, they were cold. Well, not completely cold, but you could tell the difference between hot to the touch and cold to the touch. Okay, so I can confirm the seats are working. Oh, that is boiling. That is warm. So, well, the passenger seat's working anyway. Our section. Yep. Arse is warm. It's not as warm as the back. The back is boiling. Oh yeah, so the back will make you sweat in no time. It's warm. Bottom works not as warm as the back as you said. It's still warm. Still warm. I dare say on a very, very cold day, you'll still be grateful for the bit of warmth it will provide. And I would be very grateful for having switches in the car, or more buttons. But yeah, backrest definitely works. I don't know if I switch them around, would that make the bottom warmer and the top colder? Possibly. I don't know. I see, I might better find out, so I'm going to turn this off. It's turned off, and I'm going to switch some cables around to see if the bottom will be warmer than the back. Yeah, it's clicked off under one setting, and the lowest heat, all the heat, like the heat output changed the key no matter what way around the wires are. So it leads me, like, it leads me to believe like it doesn't matter which way around the cables are, like it on, as long as you've got two grounds. I did two alpha cables on, which is fine. All it means now I need to find a plug that matches each other, and I need to find two of them. So should hopefully have enough plugs. If not, I better find a solution to it. It won't be too hard. So yeah, that's all done. The only thing I need to do now is to test the illumination, which I will connect that up. What I might do instead is just using earth. I don't need the power for that. I just need the earth. And what I probably would do, I'll turn the lights on in the car and just pull out one of these window switches and connect the illumination up to one of them. That should work just as well. So it'll be connected to the exactly the same area on the car anyway, so I'm going to pull on the switch out quickly and see if I can connect the illumination up and check the illumination of the switch. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.